I'm Ace. Good to have you here. Let me ask you something. You've got pages that pull steady search traffic, but the revenue numbers don't match the visits. Why does that happen? And what if the fix doesn't require a full redesign or a flashy funnel? What if the missing piece sits in the code search engines already read? Here's the thing. Structured data, schema, JSON-LD, microformats is usually pitched as an SEO tool to get rich results. But it's more than that. It's a clear signal layer that can translate search intent into tiny, trackable choices people make on the page. Think about that for a moment. That's what we're doing today, turning schema into a conversion layer for faceless pages. In the next 10 minutes, I'll give you 3 practical frameworks and a quick 90-minute sprint you can run this week. You'll walk away with a testable change you can ship to one page, measure, and then scale. No redesign, no new funnel software, just focused markup and a micro offer that matches intent. Why this matters. Traffic without conversion is expensive. You paid attention to reach that traffic. Content, backlinks, time. If people leave without a small action, the site's value stays flat. Structured data solves an information mismatch. It tells search engines and on-page previews exactly what you want someone to do next, and that nudges visitors toward tiny decisions. Click a comparison, download a checklist, reveal a price snippet. Small conversions compounding over time become real income. First practical idea. Map intent to schema. Don't guess. Start by writing the search intent in one sentence. Is the user looking to compare, to buy, to learn, or to troubleshoot? Then pick a schema type that directly communicates that intent. For example, comparison intent maps well to review or product with aggregate rating and offers. How-to or step intent is a natural fit for a how to markup or a how to steps microformat. Local or service intent maps to local business or service with defined service type. The rule: match intent to the minimal set of properties that answer the visitor's micro questions. Price range, time to complete, effort, credibility. Concrete example. If your page ranks for best small espresso machine under $300, write the intent sentence. Help me pick a reliable machine under $300 with clear pros/cons and a short buying path. Then add product schema with price range, aggregate rating, and an offers object with availability. That tells search engines and often users in snippets that this page is comparison ready. Don't dump every property. Add the ones that directly lower the next micro decision friction. Second idea. Design micro conversions that can appear as snippets or on-page previews. I've used 3 repeatable patterns: an answer lead, a micro offer, and a calculator signal. The answer lead is a single, concise answer block, a summary or best pick, marked up with answer or FAQ schema, so it's eligible to be pulled into a search result. The micro offer is a tiny productized freebie, a downloadable checklist or price comparison CSV, surfaced with an offer or creative work schema, and a clear URL property. The calculator signal is a small interactive preview. Think estimated monthly cost. That's indicated with a how-to or service markup and invites a quick click. How they work together. The answer lead reduces balance potential by giving the searcher instant value. The micro offer captures a low friction contact or micro transaction. The calculator signal raises intent clarity and primes people for the main conversion. Each is tiny, but when marked up correctly, they can show up as enhanced snippets, which increases both center and micro decisions on the page. Now, a 90-minute sprint you can run on a single page. First 15 minutes. Audit intent and choose your micro conversion. Open analytics, pick a high traffic faceless page with clear intent, and write one sentence describing what the visitor should do next. Next 20 minutes. Draft a minimal JSON-LD snippet. Only include the schema type and 3 to 5 properties that map to the intent sentence. Keep it compact. For a comparison page, that might be a type: product, name, aggregate rating, offers, price range, URL. Next 15 minutes, add the micro offer, a downloadable 2-column CSV, a 1-page checklist, or a short email-only summary. Host a file in the same domain and reference it in the JSON-LD as an offer or creative work with a URL. Then 10 minutes. Validate with the official rich results tests and the structured data testing tool. Look for errors and irrelevant properties. If the tool flags something, remove it. Simpler wins. Last 30 minutes. Deploy to a single page. Tag the click or download as an event in analytics, and set up a simple A/B test or before/after measurement window. A quick real-world walkthrough. I took a quiet affiliate page listing organic fertilizer options. Traffic was fine. Conversions were near zero. I rewrote the intent. Compare 5 effective organic fertilizers for home gardens with clear cost and application time. I added product schema for each item, aggregated an estimated application time property using how-to nested items, and published a tiny micro offer, a downloadable 2-week application schedule. After validation and a 1-week A/B window, clicks to the download increased 18%, and affiliate clicks rose 9%. Tiny changes, measurable outcome. A couple of guardrails. Don't overmark pages with irrelevant schema. Only add properties that map to your intent sentence. Keep a short checklist. Does this property answer a micro decision? Does it change user behavior on the page? If not, drop it. Also, test on one page before you roll site-wide. Structured data evolves, and you want measurable wins, not surprises. So what do you do this week? Pick one Faceless page with steady traffic, write the intent sentence, and spend 90 minutes on the sprint. Add a minimal JSON-LD, surface a micro offer, validate, and measure. That single iteration is a high leverage move for solopreneurs who can't spend weeks on redesigns. Final takeaway. Structured data is not just for search features. It's a way to make micro decisions visible to both machines and people. Use it to clarify intent, surface tiny offers, and create credibility signals that nudge the first small action. That small action is the start of a revenue path for Faceless pages. Well, that's enough to think about for today. Appreciate you spending a few minutes with me. If you found this useful, subscribe for more systems first tactics. I drop practical sprints like this often. I'm Ace. I'll catch you in the next one.